Hi there guys, I'm going to show you how to create a new email account. So right now I'm going to show you how to create a new email address using Microsoft's Outlook, or that's what they call the Outlook Live. First thing is you need to actually select an email address. So in my case, I'm going to select, um, let's say all tutorials, videos. So it actually depends on you and what you would choose for the email address, if it's going to be outlook.com or hotmail.com. So in my case, I'm going to select outlook.com and press next. So right now I'm going to create a password. So I'm just going to type a random password here, press next. All right, so right now I'm going to set a name. So in this case, I'm going to create or select a country and a birth date. Just put in a random birth date here. Right now, the system will actually just create the email address for you. So let's wait for it to finish. And usually, the Microsoft system will generate a CAPTCHA in order for it not to, in order for it to detect that you are not a robot. All right. So what you're going to do is press next, then pick a goat. Here. All right. So right now, as you can see, it's creating an account. Okay, so basically that was it. So simple and easy. That's how you would create an email account using Microsoft's Outlook system. All right, bye bye.